Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today's Bitcoin action has been packed with excitement, some serious volatility, and as always, opportunities. Let's break down what we're seeing and where things might go next. Let's start with the 1 hour chart. Right now, Bitcoin is about to create a higher low, which is a strong signal that buyers are still stepping in. We're also seeing a bullish divergence, and wave trend actually marked our entry at 69,532. If you're in the free Discord, you would have caught this call. That initial push took us up to today's high of 71,517, a key level for support and resistance. But here's where it gets interesting. After reaching that peak, Bitcoin dumped hard, falling from 71,245 down to 68,972 within an hour. That's a solid 3.5% drop, showing just how intense the volatility is right now. Currently, we're consolidating around 69,763 and building that higher low I mentioned earlier. This level sits at the start of the yellow channel, which is also where we exited our last trade. Although we didn't get the V-shaped recovery we hoped for, Bitcoin's holding pretty strong at this level. Patience is key here as we watch for the next move. Now let's talk liquidity. In the last video, I predicted we'd tap the 70,100 to 69,700 long liquidation pocket. And guess what? We did. We then saw a quick bounce up, but the market couldn't resist the 69,650 to 69,200 pocket, which was just too tempting. So the market makers pulled us down to liquidate that entire pocket, all the way to 68,800. Looking at the 3-day liquidity heat map, we can see a major pocket building on the upside, between 73,000 to 73,500. This could act as a magnet if we start pushing up again, so keep an eye on this range. It's shaping up to be a critical area in the coming sessions. Despite today's sell pressure from big names like Fidelity, Bitwise, ARK, VanEck, and Grayscale, BlackRock stepped in with a massive $318.8 million purchase just yesterday. That inflow actually kept us positive with a net total of $32.3 million on what's considered a dump day. Even with the sell pressure, demand from ETFs is keeping the market supported. BlackRock's aggressive buy-in shows the conviction some of these big players have, which is something retail investors should take note of. As always, I'm watching the charts closely, like a hawk, especially around these key levels. I'm holding off on new entries until we see a clearer setup, maybe a strong signal on the 4-hour chart. No need to chase every move. Remember, patience often pays the most in this game. If you want these insights in real time, join our free Discord community. I post updates and trade ideas there regularly, so it's a great place to stay informed. And if you're finding these videos helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in. Let's see where Bitcoin takes us next. And see you in the next one.